Hello and welcome to Learn English Audiobook, the channel where you can learn to speak English with confidence and ease, even if you are just starting today. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can speak English fluently, without fear and with confidence. Learning to speak English fluently is not about being perfect. It is not about knowing every grammar rule or using difficult words. It is about speaking clearly, naturally, and comfortably, just like you speak in your native language. Many people think they cannot speak English fluently because they are not smart enough, or they did not go to a good school, or they are too old to learn. But let me tell you, that is not true. Anyone can speak English fluently with the right method and regular practice. I have seen people from many countries, different ages and backgrounds, who started from zero and became fluent just by practicing every day with easy steps. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can do the same. First of all, the most important thing to understand is that fluency is a habit. Just like brushing your teeth or making tea in the morning, speaking English should become a part of your daily routine. Start small. Speak for 5 minutes a day, then 10 minutes, then more. You don't need a partner. Just speak to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. For example, when you are cooking, say, I am cutting the vegetables. I am boiling the water. Now I am adding salt. This may feel strange at first, but it works. It helps your brain get used to thinking in English. Thinking in English is one of the biggest steps toward fluency. When we translate from our native language, we become slow and nervous. So train your brain to think in English and you will speak faster and with more confidence. The second step is to listen more than you speak. Yes, listening is a big part of speaking fluently. Listen to easy English content, watch English movies, shows, or YouTube videos with subtitles. Choose videos made for learners, like this one. As you listen, repeat what you hear. This is called shadowing. When you shadow someone's speech, you copy their words, tone, and rhythm. This helps you speak naturally. Don't worry about understanding every word. Focus on the sound, the flow, the pronunciation. Pause the video, repeat the sentence, and say it loudly. If possible, record yourself and compare. This small practice every day will change your English a lot. Next, learn phrases, not words. Most English learners try to memorize vocabulary. They learn one word at a time. But native speakers don't speak in words, they speak in phrases. So instead of learning just the word hungry, learn the phrase, I am hungry, I am starving, or let's eat something. When you use full phrases, you speak faster and sound more natural. Make a notebook of useful daily phrases. Read them every day. Speak them aloud. Use them in small talks with friends or teachers. Repetition is the key. Now let's talk about grammar. Should you learn grammar to speak fluently? Yes, but not too much. At the beginning, focus more on speaking and listening. Learn grammar by using it. For example, if you hear the phrase, I have been working, don't try to understand the full grammar rule at first. Just understand the meaning and try using it in your own sentence. Like, I have been learning English for 3 months. Later, you can study the grammar rule if you want, but always remember speaking fluently is more important than speaking perfectly. Another important tip is to record yourself. Every day, choose a topic. It can be anything: your favorite food, your weekend plan, your daily routine. Set a timer for 2 or 3 minutes. Speak in English and record it. Then listen to your own voice. Don't be afraid. This is your best teacher. You will notice your mistakes. You will notice where you pause, where you forget words. This feedback will help you improve. Also, you will see your progress after some weeks. You will feel more fluent, more natural, and more confident. Let's talk about confidence. Many people know English but are too shy to speak. They are afraid of mistakes, afraid of people laughing at them. But here's a truth. Every fluent speaker has made mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. When a baby learns to walk, it falls many times. But it keeps trying. That's how it learns. So don't be afraid to speak. Don't wait to be perfect. Speak now, make mistakes, learn from them. Every time you speak, you become better. Another great way to improve fluency is by practicing real conversations. If you have a friend or a language partner, talk with them in English. Set a time every day or every week. Choose a topic and discuss it. If you don't have a partner, join online English-speaking groups. There are many groups on apps and websites where people practice English together. And if you are shy, start by sending voice messages. That's also good practice. Also, change the language setting on your phone, your apps, your computer to English. Read signs, menus, instructions in English. Surround yourself with English. This is called immersion. The more English you see and hear every day, the faster you will learn. You can even write your thoughts in a diary in English. Every night, write 3 to 5 sentences about your day. Like, today I went to the market. I bought some fruit. It was very hot. I felt tired. I watched a video on YouTube. Simple sentences, daily writing. It trains your brain to think in English. Let's do a small recap. First, speak every day, even to yourself. Second, listen and repeat. Shadow English videos and copy their style. Third, learn full phrases, not single words. Fourth, record yourself and watch your progress. Fifth, don't fear mistakes. They help you grow. Sixth, practice real conversations when possible. Seventh, change your environment to English, phone, apps, books. Eighth, write your thoughts in English daily. Now I want to give you a weekly plan. Follow this and you will see results in just 4 weeks. Week 1. Speak aloud every day for 5 minutes. Choose one topic per day. For example, day 1, my family. Day 2, my favorite food. Day 3, my hobbies. Week 2, add listening and shadowing. Choose one easy English video per day. Watch for 10 minutes. Pause and repeat. Copy the pronunciation. Week 3. Start recording your voice. Record 1-minute talks on topics like travel, festivals, school, friends. Listen and improve. Week 4. Practice small conversations. Talk to a friend or join a group. Use real English in real life. If you follow this plan and don't miss a single day, you will see how much your fluency improves. Remember, fluency is not a gift. It is a result of small daily steps. Every minute you spend speaking English helps you move closer to your goal. So start now. Don't wait. Open your mouth. Speak your first sentence. You can say, I am learning English. I want to speak better. That's a great start. Say it now. Say it every day. Believe in yourself. You are not alone. Many learners just like you are walking the same path, and you can do it too. I believe in you. You're already taking action by watching this video. That is your first step. Keep going. Keep learning. Keep practicing. Your fluency journey has already begun, and you are doing great. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are also learning English, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful English practice. And don't forget to write in the comments, I will speak English fluently to make your goal real. See you in the next video. Take care and keep practicing.